how to merge two Gmail accounts. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Gmail account, and then on the top right, you'll see a gear icon, which is the settings. Tap on it and then tap on see all settings. Now you will see various options on the top. Tap on accounts and import. Here you'll find add another Gmail address option. So just tap on it, and then here you can put in your name and your email address that you want to add and go to next step, and then you can merge the two email addresses. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.